Hello, hello everyone. Welcome to Learn English as you go. مرحبا بكم أعزائي الكرام في تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية على الماشي. In today's vocab we are going to have a new word which is failure. في مفردات اليوم سوف نتناول كلمة جديدة ألا وهي failure أي بمعنى فشل. So why don't we do a definition and have some examples? So let's do it. Let's do it now. So what does failure mean? Well, failure is the state or the condition of not meeting a desirable goal or not being able to achieve a wanted result. It is a lack of success. It's the opposite of success, actually. It's something or someone in the state of not being able to get what's wanted. That's what failure means. Example times. Tom always tries to blame others for his failure. توم دائما ما يحاول أن يلوم الآخرون نتيجة فشله. His first attempt to break the record ended in failure. محاولته الأولى في تحقيق أو تحطيم الرقم القياسي باءت بالفشل. The plan was a total failure. الخطة كانت فاشلة تماما. That experience was a failure. تلك التجربة كانت فاشلة. Mary cannot afford another failure in her company. ماري لا تستطيع أن تتحمل خسارة أخرى في شركتها. All her business ended in failure. جميع أعمالها باءت بالفشل. Failure followed another failure. فشل تلو الآخر. And now she's trying to blame others. والآن هي تحاول أن تلوم الآخرون. It is said that failure leads to another failure. يقال بأن الفشل يؤدي إلى فشل آخر. While success leads to success. بينما النجاح يؤدي إلى النجاح. But that is not necessary to be true, is it? ولكن ليس من الضروري أن يكون ذلك صحيحا، أليس كذلك؟ So why do we tend to blame others for our own failure? إذن لماذا نميل إلى لوم الآخرون نتيجة أخطائنا؟ That's a logical question, isn't it? هذا سؤال منطقي، أليس كذلك؟ To this point, I think that's all what we have for today from Learn English as you go. I hope you like it. I see you in the next time. Cheers. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome to Learn English as you go. مرحبا بكم أعزائي الكرام في تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية على الماشي. In today's vocab we are going to have a new word which is success. في مفردات اليوم سوف نتناول
كلمة جديدة ألا وهي success أي بمعنى ينجح أو نجاح. So let's move to the definition and the examples. So let's do it. Let's do it now. Okay, so what is success? Well, success is the achieving result of what we want. It is the accomplishment of the goal. It is when we achieve something that we want to achieve. In other words, success is تحقيق الهدف المرجو أو تحقيق النتائج المطلوبة. For examples, the success rate for this project is very low. نسبة نجاح هذا المشروع قليل جدا. She has been trying a lot, but so far without any success. هي حاولت كثيرا لكن حتى الآن لا يوجد هناك أي نجاح يذكر. She is determining to make success for this project. هي مصرة على نجاح هذا المشروع. Eventually she has made a great success. أخيرا نجحت أو أنجزت نجاحا باهرا. And that will teach us as human beings that we can make success in everything and in anything as long as we have got the willpower. So never give up. وهذا يعلمنا أي بمعنى يوضح لنا بأننا بكوننا بشر بإمكاننا أن ننجح في أي شيء نريده في شتى المجالات طالما لدينا أو نمتلك قوة الإرادة. لذا لا تستسلم أبدا. And this is what we have for today from Learn English as you go. I hope you like it. Until next time, cheers, bye. Hello everyone, welcome to Learn English as you go. مرحبا بكم أعزائي الكرام في تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية الماشي. In today's vocab we are going to have a new word which is fail. في مفردات اليوم سوف نتناول كلمة جديدة ألا وهي fail أي بمعنى يفشل. fail is a verb, fail كفعل. So why don't we do the definitions and have some examples? So let's do it. Let's do it now. Okay, so what is fail? Well, fail is the opposite of success. It is being unable to obtain, gain an expected result, not being able to achieve what you are trying to do. In other ways, fail عكس success. Success بمعنى ينجح, fail بمعنى يفشل. So being failed is not being succeed, unable to get success. This is what fail means. Okay, examples time. He failed many times before reaching this level. هو فشل كثيرا قبل أن يصل لهذا المستوى. I am pretty sure that if you work harder, you will never fail. أنا متأكد أن إن اجتهدت أكثر لن تفشل أبدا. You might fail several times, but in the end, you will make a great success. قد تفشل مرات عديدة، ولكن في النهاية سوف تحقق نجاحا باهرا. She failed to qualify to the Wimbledon final. هي فشلت في التأهل إلى نهائيات بطولة ويمبلدون. She moved to live in the city center in the hope of finding a work as a model, but she failed. هي انتقلت للعيش في وسط المدينة على أمل أن تجد عمل كعارضة، ولكنها فشلت. They don't want to fail again in this project. هم لا يريدون أن يفشلوا مرة أخرى في هذا المشروع. Okay, dear friends, so this is what we have for today from Learn English as You Go. I hope you like it. Until next time, cheers, bye. Hello dear friends, happy Friday. I am very delighted to see you coming back again to learn English as you go. مرحبا بكم أعزائي الكرام، سعيد جدا لرؤيتكم مرة أخرى في تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية على الماشي. In today's vocab we are going to have a new word which is successful. Successful is an adjective. The other day we had success, which is a verb and a noun at the same time, but today we are going to have successful. في مفردات اليوم سوف نتناول كلمة جديدة ألا وهي successful أي بمعنى ناجح. So why don't we do a little bit of definition and give some examples? So let's do it. Let's do it now. Okay, so what is successful? Well, successful is to achieve a desired goal or to accomplish a wanted result. For example, a successful operation عملية ناجحة. A successful trip رحلة ناجحة. A successful man رجل ناجح. A successful woman سيدة ناجحة. A successful businessman رجل أعمال ناجح. A successful businesswoman سيدة أعمال ناجحة. A successful career مهنة ناجحة. He was a very successful businessman before becoming a writer. هو كان رجل أعمال ناجح جدا قبل أن يصبح كاتبا. He wrote several successful books. ألف عدة كتب ناجحة. She runs a very successful company. هي تدير شركة ناجحة جدا. She runs her business successfully. هي تدير أعمالها بكل نجاح. She is successful in all things. هي ناجحة في كل الأشياء. Okay, dear friends, so this is what we have for today. I hope you like it. I see you again in the next time. Cheers. Bye. Hello everyone, happy Friday. Welcome to Learn English as You Go. مرحبا بكم أعزائي الكرام في تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية على الماشي. In today's vocab we are going to have easy come, easy go. We use easy come, easy go to indicate that something that it's easily to be obtained, it's likely to be lost easily. So, لكي نوضح بأن كل ما يمكننا الحصول عليه بكل سهولة قد يذهب منا أو نضيعه بكل سهولة. كل ما نتحصل عليه من دون أي جهد قد نضيعه بلا مبالاة أو من دون اهتمام. For examples, على سبيل الأمثلة: I earn a lot, but at the same time I spend a lot of money in other ways. Easy come, easy go. أنا أكسب كثيرا من المال، ولكن في الوقت نفسه أصرف كثيرا. ما يأتي بسهولة يذهب بسهولة. Last night I lost 500 pounds in a card game. But hey, that's the life. Easy come, easy go. خسرت 500 باوند في لعبة كرت. Her father always gives her what she asks, but she always in a debt. Easy come, easy go. والدها دائما يعطيها كل ما تطلبه، ولكن هي دائما ما تكون متدينة أو في حالة تدين. ما يأتي بسهولة يذهب بسهولة. Sarah found 20 pounds in the morning and she spent it at noon. With Sarah, easy come, easy go. سارة وجدت 20 باوند في الصباح وصرفته بعد الظهيرة. مع سارة ما يأتي بسهولة يذهب بسهولة. She says that John spent his money as soon as he earns it. With John, easy come, easy go. هي تقول بأن جون يصرف نقوده حالما يتكسبه. مع جون ما يأتي بسهولة يذهب بسهولة. Okay, so this is what we have for today from Learn English as you go. تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية على الماشي. I hope you like it. Until next time, cheers, bye.
All praises to Allah, all praises to Allah.